a sense of fresh beginnings, whale activity, and the possibility of upward momentum energized the Shiba Inu community. A surprising turn of events in the last day threw a wrench into the Shiba Inu ecosystem, impacting all holders just when things were looking up. During this period, what precisely transpired? So, what exactly am I referring to? So, allow me to explain. Important notice. A lot has changed recently for Shiba Inu in the lightning-fast cryptocurrency industry. The number of significant transactions has dropped by an astounding 85. In only 3 days, many big holders and traders have pulled their money out of the Shiba Inu market due to its precipitous decline, leaving observers wondering what's behind the sudden change. In terms of the finer points, block data paints a clear picture of this significant drop. Notable Shiba Inu transactions have dropped in volume to over 360 billion tokens over the past 24 hours. At face value, this is only $3.03 million. The major cause of this precipitous drop is the 10 recorded transactions using Shiba Inu tokens valued at more than $100,000 within this little time frame. Additionally, you ought to be aware of this. To get a better look into the market dynamics, we can zoom in on the Shiba Inu ecosystem transactions that are over $100,000. A subtle way to capture the activities of huge actors and large investors is to selectively focus on key transactions. Significant financial commitments are typical of such large-scale transactions, suggesting that institutional investors, whales, or extremely wealthy individuals are involved. To better understand the behaviors and choices of influential Shiba Inu members, we narrowed the scope of the study to transactions with a value of more than $100,000. The dynamics of the market are more affected by larger transactions, conveying a great desire to buy or sell. Thus, by zeroing in on deals of this size, we can learn more about the Shiba Inu market's general health and future prospects by observing changes in attitude among key players. Worries over Shiba Inu's short-term future have been heightened by the decline of whale activity in major agreements, which suggests the departure of key players. See the Shiba Inu marketplace in the midst of a vibrant casino. Here, the A-list celebrities who are dancing are the big guns or whales. Just picture all these famous people breaking up the party early. Why is everyone talking at the club? Then why did they depart? What effect does it have on the ambiance of the night? Think of the whales as the ones who order the enormous champagne bottles and do the fantastic dance moves. It seems like the vibe of the party changes when they suddenly decide to back down or disappear. Everyone at the club was confused by the sudden change in atmosphere when these famous partygoers didn't show up. Allow me to get into the details now. Whales are extremely extravagant spenders who share characteristics with those who shell out thousands for bottle service or stage grand entrances. Their disappearance is like a DJ slamming on the brakes. People start to question what's happening when the focus moves away from the big spenders. Has a new, well-liked website recently emerged? The dance floor might seem weird afterward. It could be that there are some new dancers or that the room is noticeably less noisy. Everyone seemed to be trying to establish a new rhythm as if the night's beat were changing. When the whales leave a nightclub, it usually leaves room for speculation about who will steal the show or what the next big thing will be. When famous people skip a party, it's more than just a report about the nightlight. Visually, it's similar to a big screen scene shift. As the plot thickens, people start talking. Does the nightlife only need a break for the stars, or is something new about to happen? There is a palpable sense of intrigue and mystery among the clubgoers, who can't wait for the Shiba Inu nightlife story to take another unexpected turn. Everyone is wondering if the market is merely adjusting to the dramatic drop in whale activity, or if this is the beginning of a much larger change in the future of Shiba Inu. Into the block data shows that these changes have happened recently, which helps to explain how the Shiba Inu story is evolving. Bitcoin, thank goodness, is easy to see through. Envision the Bitcoin universe as a house made of glass. Everything happening inside is visible to anyone walking by. Having the curtains drawn back gives us the impression of complete visibility into the room, revealing every action and choice. To be more specific, how exactly does this help Shiba Inu? Pretend you are in a game where the cards of each player are laid out on the table. Who is taking risks and who is sitting on their hands may be observed in real time alongside the game's development. The goal of cryptographic openness is to achieve just that. It puts all the information out there for everyone to see. Since Shiba Inu and all cryptocurrencies are transparent, we can track every single transaction, no matter how big or small. It will be interesting to see whether the whales start making waves or if other users decide to join in the fun. Having such a broad view of the crypto environment is the same as being this open. Why, though, is this important? It feels as though you're in a city where the buildings are see-through. Watching traffic is possible. Find out where individuals are headed and foretell what will happen. With full disclosure in the cryptocurrency space, we can see the market as a whole, the movers and shakers, and the larger picture. It is empowering to have this kind of visibility. We are able to respond to change, identify market trends, and make educated decisions because of it. To have a Bitcoin weather prediction is similar to this. You have the ability to predict the weather. However, I have discovered something quite intriguing. The meme-inspired token ecosystem is dynamic and ever-changing. When Solana's Bunk, another meme token player, outtraded Shiba Inu in terms of trading volume, it was a surprising turn of events. The Shiba Inu community is really worried about this new development. However, what makes this matter warrant concern? Think of the Shiba Inu as the star of the meme-inspired token galaxy. Being the best in your field is a good analogy. When Solana's Bunk, for example, overtakes all other tokens in terms of trade volume, it means that people are looking elsewhere. Keeping the Shiba Inu as the top dog breed in its specialty is important if the breed is to be taken seriously. A meme token's performance can be compared to a firm losing its market-leading position in any criteria. It's about more than just boasting. This has serious consequences. The increase in Shiba Inu prices might be dampened by this change. Please allow me to explain. Attention is frequently worth more than money in the cryptocurrency world. Whenever other meme-inspired projects start to gain more traction than Shiba Inu, it could divert resources and attention from Shiba Inus. People who are just starting out as investors, especially in the Bitcoin market, like to be in the thick of things. Shiba Inu's price growth could stall if it is no longer the most popular meme token. How come owners place such a premium on a Shiba Inu's value? Increasing? This is analogous to owning shares in a company. A rising value is what you're aiming for. Shiba Inu holders' investments are directly affected by the token's price rise. When compared to other meme tokens, Shiba Inu can lose some of its charm. The token's value could fall if demand drops because of this. A domino effect among those who own Shiba Inus might result from all of this. Picture this: you're a Shiba Inu owner and you're watching another meme token go viral. If an alternative, like as Bunk, becomes more appealing, some holders may start to doubt their commitment. Just like when you're rooting for a losing sports team and then all of a sudden, another team starts winning games. Some supporters may think about taking a different side. This change of heart in the cryptocurrency world means selling all of your Shiba Inu possessions. The process is as follows. Holders may decide to sell their Shiba Inu tokens if they see another meme token that is gaining popularity and could offer bigger rewards. The Shiba Inu market is seeing additional selling pressure as more holders leave the breed for other projects like as Bunk. It is common practice in the Bitcoin sector to move capital around from one project to another. Seeking out better opportunities and earnings drives it. When this happens, people who own Shiba Inus may ask why they should keep having the dog breed when there are other options available. A possible pause in the increase of Shiba Inu prices could result from this viewpoint gaining popularity. The market value of Shiba Inu tokens